Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
I will show 3 quick methods to change display brightness in Windows 7. Use the Windows Mobility Center slider to set brightness between 0 and 100%. Press your laptop FN key plus the brightness keys to raise or lower brightness by roughly 10% steps. Open Start, then Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, and Power Options to edit plan settings. Each method works without installing extra software or restarting your computer. Open Start and type Mobility to find Windows Mobility Center quickly. Click Windows Mobility Center to open a panel with a brightness slider. Move the brightness slider left or right to set the screen from 0 to 100% immediately. The change applies as you move the slider, and you will see brightness adjust in real time. This method is the fastest on many laptops and requires no account permissions or advanced settings. Open Start, then Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, and Power Options to customize brightness per power plan. Click Change Plan Settings next to the active plan to set display brightness for plugged-in and on battery states. Set distinct values so your screen can dim automatically when on battery power. Many laptops also allow FN plus brightness keys to change brightness about 10% per key press. Changes take effect immediately and do not require a system reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.